Hi, and welcome to Digital Marketing for Restaurants. So welcome. Are you a restaurant owner, manager, maybe thinking about becoming one? We cover quite a range, so restaurants, cafes, food stalls, even hotels and other hospitality businesses will find a lot of value in this course. If you want to get more customers using the internet, then you're in the right place. The things we'll cover on this course include how to build a website, how to get on Google so that you're listed as a restaurant, how to set up a Facebook page, create Facebook adverts, how to get listed on TripAdvisor, how to build a mailing list, and there's a lot more as well. And all of this will be delivered in step-by-step instructions. In fact, I'm going to do it all with you as I create a digital marketing campaign for this restaurant, Pori Kitchen, and you'll be able to see my screenshots, see what I click on, see my browser, see what I'm doing, so that you can follow along exactly step by step. Who isn't this course for? Well, it's specific and step by step for digital, so those you'll get a really clear demonstration on, but what you won't get is the kind of general marketing fundamentals. I do have another course called Get More Restaurant Customers that covers that, but that won't be covered in this course. It'll just be how to actually do the digital stuff. It's not intended for digital marketing professionals because you'll already be familiar with most of the material in this course. And it's probably less useful for large chains with big marketing budgets because they'll typically have marketing staff, and a lot of the stuff I talk about is talking about an individual restaurant here. Who am I and why can I tell you about this stuff? Well, I'm Chris and I'm the author of Why Restaurants Fail and What to Do About It, which you can get on Amazon. I'm also the author of the Leeds Restaurant Guide. I think it's now in its 5th edition. I'm the author of the Finland Restaurant Guide, and I'm a writer over at Restaurant Psychology. So I've done a lot of time in the food and restaurant industry, and I think I will give you a lot of value in this course. So let's get started.